Hello, this is Matteo from Tech Travel Geeks, and today I have just received a parcel from China. This is from a company called eGlobal Central, and the parcel contains a very well packaged bit of bubble wrap wrapped in sellotape. Let's open it up and see what we have. I was quite excited when I ordered this last week because it is the newly released Xiaomi A2 Android One smartphone. So this is a smartphone from Xiaomi, the Chinese phone manufacturer, running Google's blessed version of Android. That means that with Android One you'll always have the latest updates and the latest software features direct from Google with very little intervention from Xiaomi. So the packaging is, as you can see, wrapped in cellophane. I'll just take that off. There's Me Too Android One, a sticker that denotates that it is the global version. On the back we find some extra information. This is 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, dual SIM. It is not a device that supports micro SD, which for some may be a deal breaker. Oh, okay. So in the main package we find a cardboard insert which has Xiaomi A2 user guide, which is fairly straightforward. It indicates where the SIM card tray is, the fact that it takes 2 nano SIMs, and pretty straightforward. We won't bother reading that. It has a Type-C to 3.5mm or Courage port adapter, a SIM tray ejector tool, and arguably, or more importantly, a starter case to get you started with the device. That's until you order your Mocadile from your favourite retailer on AliExpress. Let's see what we have here. Mi A2. 12 megapixel plus 20 megapixel dual AI camera, large 1.25 micron pixels, 20 megapixel front camera, AI powered beautify, and Qualcomm 660. This is actually really good news because recently I've been using a Meizu 15, which was also running on the Snapdragon 660 chipset. So I look forward to seeing how this performs with Android One on it. On the back you'll have the stickers with the usual information on where to find the SIM tray and so on. We'll take that off for now. So you can see it's a metal finish with a bit of a matte coating to it. There is some plastic inserts for antenna bands rolling across the top of the device and the bottom. Fingerprint sensors in the middle. iPhone X-ish dual camera with LED flash element in the middle. To one side you'll have the power on button and the volume button, and the other's pretty featureless apart from that SIM tray. So what we're going to do now is open up that SIM tray and look at the SIM tray pad. And I'm going to get out my toolkit and SIM card. Sadly, no micro SD expansion here. And pop SIM 1 in. So that goes in there. And this goes in here. And we should be ready to go. So let's take this protector off. There's no screen protector applied, unlike on some Huawei and Honor devices. And there we have it, screen on, Android One. This is stock Android. There will be a full review of the Xiaomi A2, the device we have just unboxed, with its power charger, cable, headphone jack adapter from Type-C, and that's everything from us. If you like this video and would like to see the full review, please subscribe here on YouTube. Thanks very much, everyone.